Zucchini noodles with garlic and oil. Ingredients: 12 ounces zucchini, 2-3 small, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 1 small clove of garlic, minced, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon ground sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Optional: freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1 to 2 eggs, cooked over easy, or however you like them. Instructions: wash the zucchini and slice off both ends, creating a nice, flat surface. Spiralize the zucchini, or use a julienne peeler to create veggie noodles. Preheat a 9-inch cast iron pan over medium-high heat. While the pan is heating, assemble and prepare your other ingredients. Add the olive oil to the hot pan, followed by the garlic, red pepper flakes, sea salt, and black pepper. Sauté just until fragrant but not brown, about 30 seconds. Add the zucchini noodles to the pan and sauté until just tender, 3-5 minutes. Serve the zucchini noodles immediately, topped with your choice of toppings.